control
Yep.
and the image that you're messing with,
Right.
you can show video animation. So
Yep.
video animation, I'm just going to zoom in a bit so that we're a bit more, make it a bit bigger so it's a bit more fun to do. Video animation allows us to do some fun stuff. Any effect you put on it, you can animate it and make it come in and out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a pin in it up here on the position by using this thing called a keyframe.
Yep.
So when I pin it, I say I want it to start there, and the pin appears right there.
Oh.
Okay. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to move my playhead to a bit further on in the clip, and I'm going to say where I want it to end up. See how it's drawing a line to show how it's going to animate?
Yeah.
Okay. So what I've done is I put a pin in it at the beginning to say start there, and then I move it, and it automatically puts a pin in to show where it's going.
Alright.
When I play it, there's a bit of movement on it. Okay.
Yeah.
So what I might want to do is maybe not just move the picture around. I might want to go back and put a pin in it there and change how zoomed in it is. So I put a pin in at the start to say where I want it to start.
Yep.
Then I move it, and I say at the end I want it that big. So now what it's going to do is it's going to move and zoom at the same time. So.
Alright.
And then it does something funky at the end because I didn't put a pin in it. If I want to, I can make that move a bit quicker. So I can move my keyframes, as they're called, a bit closer, and it's going to zoom a lot faster.
Oh yeah.
And if I want it to go really fast, I can move them around. I mean, that feels too fast, so I'm going to move that back again. Oops, no, I'm not. I'm going to weirdly bring it over there. So all I've done there is I've added some effects on it, but I've put a pin in it to say where I want it to start and where I want it to finish. Okay, so I'm going to delete that one, and I'm going to bring it in again and remind you that. So you're going to hit Control.
Yep.
And show video animation, just so that it opens up all of this that's there.
Yep.
And then I basically put the playhead where I want the effect to start. And then whatever I'm going to change, I use the keyframe button over there and I say that's where I want it to start from, please. And then I put it where I want it to finish, and I'm going to make it do that. Then I'm going to put a pin in it somewhere else, and I'm going to make it do that. And I've drawn it to go up and back again, and there's little points there for each one. So now it's going to do something really weird. It's going to go up, and then sort of much more quickly come back down again, and you can see it's about to come back now.
Oh yeah.
And if I don't like what I've done, I can literally just delete the pins that I put in, and
Yeah.
put it back to normal. Do you want to give it a go?